TikTok has over 1.5 billion monthly users, and standing out in the crowd isn't easy. If you've spent hours making a video only to get 50 views, you know the pain. But don't worry, in this video I'm going to show you 5 proven strategies to get TikTok followers fast, and if you stick around till the end, I'll even give you 3 bonus tips as well. So let's get started. First up, niche down. TikTok's algorithm loves clarity. If your account is all over the place, people won't know why they should follow you. But if you consistently post within your niche, whether it's cooking, fitness, or marketing hacks, the algorithm will serve you to the right audience, and those people are going to be more likely to hit follow. Tip number 2, create high-quality, engaging videos. Posting consistently isn't enough if people are just swiping away after 2 seconds. Let's focus on the basics. Good lighting, clear audio, and a hook that grabs attention in the first 3 seconds. And you don't even need a studio. Natural lighting and a quality microphone can help you level up your content and keep people sticking around for longer. Tip number 3, show your TikTok feeds on your website. Here's a hack that most people miss. Your website visitors are already interested in you, so why not turn them into TikTok followers? By embedding your TikTok feed on your WordPress website using Smashballoon's TikTok Feed Pro, you can showcase your videos in a fast and interactive feed on your WordPress website and convert casual visitors into real fans. Plus, it automatically updates with your latest content, so you can set it up once and let TikTok Feed Pro do the rest. If you want to check it out, visit smashballoon.com. Tip number 4, post consistently and at the right times. The TikTok algorithm rewards consistency. Aim for anywhere between 3 to 5 posts a week, and batch your content so you're not scrambling daily to post something. And even better, you can use your analytics to find out when your followers are most active and post at those times to maximize your reach. And last but not least, engage with your community. A lot of people forget that TikTok is a social platform, not a broadcast channel. You should always reply to comments, use a reply with video feature for great questions, and spend 10 to 15 minutes engaging with other creators in your niche. The more you engage, the more you get back in terms of visibility and followers. These 5 tips can help you kickstart your TikTok growth, but it doesn't stop there. We put together 3 more proven strategies in our full blog post. I've left a link for you in the description of this video. Go try these out and start converting scrolls into followers. If you got value from this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more social media marketing tips to help you grow your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.